here. The other offense we're really intrigued by in that same division here is the Arizona Air Raid coming in. And we're really excited with Kingsbury, Kyler Murray. We're even labeling Murray the next Mahomes of fantasy for this year, that kind of late round QB that explodes. Have you heard anything about how that's developing? What are your expectations here?
Everybody's waiting to see how good they are or aren't, how effective they're going to be or not. I think there's high expectations. They're going to run a highly fast-paced offense with a lot of plays, a lot of opportunities for yards and for productivity. From a fantasy standpoint, it should be fascinating to watch. And I remember when Chip Kelly came to the league, took the league by storm initially with Philadelphia. It won't surprise me if Kliff Kingsbury has similar success, but again, hasn't done it yet. So we don't know, and Kyler Murray hasn't done it yet. So while there is great hype and expectations, we still don't know how that's going to play out, and I think that's one of the central storylines of the upcoming season.
Absolutely. Are there any particular weapons that you're hearing they're more excited about in this offense, or anyone you're thinking could really, if everything pans out, would be the guy you'd love to have in fantasy?
Well, Larry Fitzgerald is Mr. Reliable, and Christian Kirk is the guy that's now going into his second year that you would think would make a step in his second year. They went out and drafted, I think it was 3 or 4 wide receivers. You guys probably are interested in Andy Isabella, and I just think that they like all these guys. Which one's going to emerge this year, I really have no idea. I mean, everybody's waiting to see how the offense evolves, who steps up, who develops, who emerges. I think it's just too early to say that right now. They don't even know that. And by the way, you've had organizations over time, like I said, just to prove they don't know. Sometimes I've had people say to me certain things like, there was a quarterback in Denver back in 1995 who pulled me aside in the 3rd week of training camp and said, this team's in trouble. And I said, why is that? He said, we don't have a stallion in the backfield. I said, you don't have a stallion in the backfield? Nope, nobody that can run the football, nobody that can take the pressure off John Elway. And that was a quarterback on that team. And lo and behold, what that happened that year was Terrell Davis emerged and essentially became an MVP in the NFL and helped the Broncos win 2 Super Bowls. So the guy was practicing with them for almost a month. And the team, some of the guys on the team didn't know how good the guy was. Mm-hmm. So that's an example of you're asking me to identify which of these Cardinals wide receivers are going to emerge, when I would venture to tell you that they might not even know which Cardinals wide receivers are going to emerge.
And speaking of stallions, though, David Johnson there, you think there's any chance of him kind of getting back to that almost 1K rushing, 1K receiving in this offense?
I like David Johnson this year. Look, again, you're just going with the frequency of the plays that they're going to run. They want to run a lot of plays. Now, they're going to have to get first downs to keep the clocks and chains moving. But you have confidence that they are. If Kyler Murray is what you guys think he is, and Kliff Kingsbury is what you guys think he is, then there's no reason that they can have a highly productive season with David Johnson being great.